Hey Maniacs! Today I'm going to be creating a Bluetooth speaker mount for my Honda, like the one I have on my Kawasaki. To do this, I'll be using GoPro Mounts. Tools required for this: you're going to need a heat gun, along with some Varsil and an X-Acto knife for getting the warning labels off the glove box lid. You're going to need a Dremel for cutting a slit into the GoPro mounts. You're going to need 2 GoPro mounts. I bought ones with the adhesive separate that you add after the fact. Ones with the adhesive already attached will be sufficient as well. You're also going to need some Velcro strips. I've got a huge roll of it. Comes in handy for a lot of things. So I'm doing this task the second time. I decided to do the bigger pain in the butt first, which is cutting 2 slits in the GoPro mount where the GoPro slips in, right here. You want them cut wide enough so that your Velcro fits through, nice and easy. Now, it's quite possible you won't need to use the Varsil if these decals come off clean, but we'll see. If you're worried about keeping the machine all original, these glove box lids can be bought from Jet Ski International down in Florida. I think they're only like 16 bucks US. It's definitely one of the cheapest parts you can buy for this machine. Wow, no sticky residue left. So shiny. It's coming off nice. Smooth like butter, I tell ya. You don't get greedy though. Starts to stiffen up. Give it more heat. Came off silky smooth. Just grazed the heat gun with my finger there. Felt like $1,000,000. That came off pretty nice. It's too bad it's textured here, smooth there. Might have to get like a phone mount or something up here. Now when it comes to cutting the Velcro strips, you want to be sure to cut them to be at least 18 inches long so they fit nicely all the way around the JBL Charge speaker or whatever comparable speaker you're using. I've now marked with masking tape where I'm going to secure the mounts. I did that by first just taping the mounts to the speaker where I wanted them to sit so that there will be no risk of the speaker rolling when I'm hitting waves and whatnot. In this particular spot, which is like dead center, the glove box will still open all the way, as long as the handlebars are straight. So now I'm going to apply these adhesives, and I'll show you putting the speaker in place with the Velcro straps. I'll wrap her up. Important to note, before you put the adhesives on, it's much easier to slide the Velcro strips through the grooves you've cut, which I'm going to do now. Alright, I got the first one set up. I find it's best to have the rough part of the Velcro facing down, the soft part facing up. So now you got the Velcro in place, you're ready to install these bad boys. So now it's all installed. You still have full access to your storage. Now you got some tunes. Nice thing about the JBL is if you get more than one, you can sync them together. I'll eventually get a second one and have one in each machine, or might put some more mounts like this towards the back so my daughter can hear better. I find with it right between your legs, you can hear it pretty clearly up until about 45 miles per hour. Then the wind starts to draw it out. Or if it's a really windy day, then maybe more like 30 miles per hour. I like the JBL Charge 3 because it lasts about 8 to 10 hours. And you can also use it to charge your phone if you're using it as a GPS and for music and your battery starts to get low. It's also got a fair amount of bass, and it's got good volume, good sound quality. That concludes my tutorial on designing your own do-it-yourself speaker mount that doesn't involve drilling any holes into your jet ski. Appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Please remember to smash that like and subscribe button for more power sports related content.